this place?
This is amazing.
Oh.
I wasn't expecting this.
No, this is far better than I thought. It's like, I mean, it's a wall of glass. Is what that is.
It's a wall of a view.
Yeah.
And you know, the overall size of the room
It's
is
huge.
really great.
I mean, the ceiling adds to that, but it's a big room anyways.
Right.
And you just don't see walls like this.
You know, I don't love the texture of the ceilings.
It's almost necessary because this is all concrete. Like this.
So,
This is a concrete slab below, concrete slab above. You don't have neighbors above because we're on the top level.
Right.
But your neighbors below will never hear you walking.
well, that's good.
It's
That's good.
rock solid quiet. So that's a plus.
All right, let's check out this amazing view and patio.
Yeah.
This is spectacular.
Wow. What a view.
Hey, I spy
I spy the Spy
the Spy
Museum.
Museum.
And I spy the Potomac River.
But here's my question.
Yeah.
Since this area is continuing to grow,
It
the
is.
construction, are you gonna lose that view?
So the answer is yes, the majority of
Yeah.
it right now, because across the way is the wharf, you know, and this is phase 2 of the wharf coming, but you'll still have a little sliver there.
No, I mean, this whole view makes up for it. But you know, it's also, you really do see how close you are to the wharf and everything that's going on.
But talk about location without probably the wharf price.
Right.
Then back to this amazing room. Wow. And this dining room, very nice open concept to the living room.
You know, this is a bigger space back here as well.
Sure enough.
And you know, it's a 4-seater, but you could actually put in a bigger table easily.
I like this little Sputnik lamp here.
Nice,
Chandelier.
nice touch.
But here's the one little downside.
Oh,
It's a
you
little
know,
kitchen.
You know, it's on the smaller end, but it's manageable.
Well, it's got everything you need.
Right,
It's
right.
got a very fancy wolf stove and oven.
That's nice.
It's nice.
That's nice. Let's go check out the bedroom. Must be around here.
Yes.
Oh, a nice sized bedroom.
Really nice
Nice
sized bedroom.
views again.
This is bigger than my bedroom, actually.
Got a closet here.
And you have another mammoth closet in the
I'm
back.
guessing right there.
This is
Oh,
big.
this closet is huge.
It's huge. Things that I learned when I was shopping for my place, once I had a big closet, you have to have a big closet.
It's really
There's
hard
no
to
going back.
downsize. But this is a nice feature.
Squad goals there, yeah?
And again, you've got this great view.
I think this is what you would call a Romeo and Juliet.
I think so.
Because you can step out a little bit and you can be like, oh, Romeo, where art thou?
You're not going to step out.
He's over
much,
there
but
eating
you can
crabs.
still-
You have to
but the
work.
view, I mean, the view and the light. Okay. Just a nice, simple bathroom.
Yeah.
I love the vanity.
Little updated
Yeah,
vanities.
yeah. And it's
Clean,
also a good
nice.
size. It's not tiny.
Not super fancy,
Yeah.
but it's a good little space.
It works.
So now that we've seen this groovy place, it's time to go talk to Andy.
Dad, did you notice washer dryer?
So that's one
Yeah.
little negative.
I'm also thinking about parking.
You have to have a parking space. If this doesn't come with a parking space, I'd be like, I don't know. There's our-
Hey, Andy.
All right, Andy.
What do you think?
It's got that wow
It
factor.
I wasn't expecting that kind of an
No, you
all-in-one
you got wow looks from us.
Right,
Like, you know, we walked in, we're like, what? Oh, wait, this is what? Yeah.
With the shoulders like
It was
that?
like
too?
shock and awe and like, yeah, some of this, a little bit of that, you know. You don't find units like this everywhere, you know? It's
Really
very unique.
So let's get down to business. What are the HOA fees?
$1,289 a month. But that covers all your utilities, pool,
Okay.
the front desk 24 hours, right? You have a fitness center, you have a sauna
Okay,
also
so
if you
you
want.
know.
So there's quite a bit here for sure.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a washer dryer in the unit either. So
True.
There's laundry room on each floor.
So
that's
you don't
convenient.
Oh,
But yeah.
fine.
that is.
And there's plenty of closet space in there. So if you wanted to install one, you could do that. You just need board approval.
There were lots of
Easy.
closets.
Oh, and parking.
Oh,
And parking,
Parking.
you have to
How
have
can we
parking.
forget that?
Yeah, that's not cheap. It's hard to find parking around here from time to time, so it's really nice to have your
Yeah.
own spot. So, it's game time.
Break it
Before
down.
you start,
Yeah.
you know, obviously it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It is a big 1 bedroom. We're dealing with 988 square feet, Washington Monument view.
Oh, I didn't see
Probably-
that.
You didn't see
Next
the
time.
Washington Monument?
You didn't see, there's so much to
I
see.
was
You
looking
missed
at
the
the Spy
Washington.
Museum.
It's
I was
not even
looking
just
at
the
the
water.
water.
To the Spy museum.
It was like half the monument.
I could probably see it from
spot
here.
you would make. You don't even see the monument.
I spy nothing.
Yeah.
So with that in mind, ladies first.
This is tough. So I'm thinking, okay, carry the 9. I'm gonna put it at 410,000. That's my guess on the listing price.
So I was gonna say 415,
Okay.
but I'm going to go with 400 on the nose.
Ooh, are you sure?
No, I'm not sure.
We have a winner.
I would hope so.
I'm looking at you, but it's Christine. Congratulations.
I give you like high fives.
The price is $450.
This one was so
It's a great
hard.
unit, but it was a tough one.
And we have 2 more to see. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready.
All right,
Ready?
number 2.
Let's check it out.
Well, that's the good news. You get another shot.